Hey, today we're making an eggplant and yogurt dish. Growing up, we used to have this for our weekend Kurdish breakfast feast, but it also works great as an appetizer, in sandwiches, or as a side dish. It's super easy and quick to make, and if you love eggplant, you'll definitely love this. The ingredients we need are yogurt. I have some homemade yogurt here, and if you want to know how to make your own, check out my homemade yogurt recipe. I'll leave the link in the description box. You'll also need an eggplant, some garlic, olive oil, and salt to taste. I won't be frying the eggplants at a high temperature, that's why olive oil will work perfectly fine. Parsley and chili are optional, but I love herbs and spice, so I just had to include it here. And before we continue, I want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed. Thank you for helping me reach my first 100 subscriber milestone. And if you're new, welcome. Make sure you click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I post new Kurdish recipes every week. Going back to the eggplant, you want to trim the top and peel the skin to create an alternating pattern of skin and no skin. I like to slice them on the thinner side just to help them cook quicker and be sure that it becomes tender and creamy all the way through. There's nothing quite as unappetizing as uncooked eggplant in my opinion. Use as much garlic as you like. These are quite small and they were very annoying to work with, but once I managed to peel them, I went ahead and minced it finely. And traditionally, you would grate the raw garlic directly into the yogurt, but since I wanted to include some chili in this recipe, I'm going to be making a chili and garlic oil. So you want to chop your chili finely as well, and your parsley too. Alright, let's start with the garlic and chili oil. Start with a cold pan, add your garlic and olive oil and bring the heat up to medium. Add some salt to taste, and when it starts to sizzle, that's when you want to add your chili and continue to cook everything until your garlic becomes slightly golden. Set aside and use the same pan to fry your eggplants. And again, if you don't like things spicy, you can skip this step altogether and just grate your garlic directly into the yogurt. In the same pan, add the remaining olive oil and some of the oil from your garlic and chili mixture and start frying your eggplants. If you use olive oil, it's important to keep the temperature lower than if you would use canola oil or sunflower oil, because the olive oil has a much lower smoking point and it can burn easily. done frying all of your eggplants, rest them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain and sprinkle some salt over them. We're almost done, and the only thing left to do is to plate everything. Start with a layer of yogurt. I did thin out mine with some cold water because it was on the thicker side, so you might need to do the same depending on your yogurt. Arrange your eggplant slices in a single layer. It's okay if a few of them overlap. Spoon some more yogurt over the eggplants and finish it off with the toasted garlic and chili oil, and garnish with some parsley. That's all for today. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you on the next one.